In today's video I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn from mobile app. So I'm currently using Android phone. If you are Apple user, this is same method. Just open your LinkedIn app. Just now click on this profile icon. Again click on the name of your, then scroll down, you can see here are option create a post. Just click here. Wow, now you can type your um, description or post title. So this is my title. Just now paste your description here. So I add some tag. It's for help to rank on uh, LinkedIn. Then I need to import an image, right? Just click on image. Then this is a, if you want to add all text, you can write here. It's not necessary, but it's help to rank on the uh, top on LinkedIn. Okay, if you want to add to some tag people, you can select on here. Now just click on next. Wow, now if you want to going on this post on schedule, you can doing on here, but I'm not interested doing here. So I want to post. Just click on post. Wow, it's processing. So you need to few second, only few second for the post on here. So you can see how I post on LinkedIn using mobile apps. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.